In today's video, let me quickly show you how to fix the YouTube login verification code problem. Welcome back to a new guide video, everyone. If you're having this issue, the first and straightaway process to solving this issue is to request the code again. So from this page, what you can do is type in your phone number and either select the text message or the call option and then request the code again. By doing this process alone, you should be able to get the new code. If the code is still not being received, what you can do is try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode. So you can just tap on the airplane mode on your phone, turn it on and turn it off again. If the issue is still there after doing these couple of steps as well, we can try to check if the SMS is receiving on your phone. So try to send a message from a different device or a different phone to your phone number and try to see if your SIM is working. If it is working, then it is likely the case from YouTube, and you just need to wait out a couple of minutes or sometimes even maybe a couple of hours before the issue is automatically fixed and you can easily get the login verification code. So by doing these steps, you should be able to fix this issue. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.